Okay, don't let this wind fool you. It's literally 800 degrees in Bombay right now. Terribly hot. Okay, I'm so excited. The lift is literally right here. Lucky me. I am actually very, very nervous for today because I've only heard the worst horror stories about Pilates. I've never done this before and I'm actually terrified. It's like ridiculously hot right now. Wait, I'm actually going to show you something very cool. Okay, I'm going to hydrate before we go in because obviously I'm not eating anything. We got this. Chalo, let's go. We got this, yeah? Oh, sorry. Wait, where is it?
Hi, I'm Tavishi. I'm a Pilates instructor here at Radhika's Balanced Body. And today I'm here to take a Pilates class for Sanya and her friends.
Ma'am, see Pilates.
Summer stop, Sanya.
Yeah.
This is your reformer, the whole machine. This is the foot bar. Okay, so your
Who's that Pokemon?
Hi, my name is Royston Suarez. I'm Sanya's friend. I'm just here on a vacation in Bombay, chilling, and yeah, here to try Pilates.
okay.
So where do our
rest
hands
your head.
go?
So that depends on the exercise. Okay, so we're gonna start now.
My name is Aisha and I'm here to do Pilates with Sanya. Very excited to see how it goes. Very nervous, very scared.
Now we're gonna use
yeah.
we're gonna use the spine fitter. Okay.
Legs.
Whoa!
We have done it, guys. I think I'm gonna win.
Hey, this Aisha's just got me on it.
Bro,
Come down, come down.
my legs have to go way over it.
Pilates, I think, is just like a new machinery found to make us hate ourselves more. Because it honestly, it looks so fucking scary. But I think, I know that it's like both cardio and muscle.
Now, you know where your shoulder blades are? Yeah. Okay. Imagine you're hugging the spine fitter with your shoulder blades, and as you exhale, draw your belly button in. Think of closing the rib cage. Sink your spine down.
Wait a minute.
Climb up.
Who are you?
Inhale and exhale. Yeah, try and keep your knees hip width apart.
Pilates is basically an intense workout for your body, and it works on all.
जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है
A workout that includes each part of your body. Yeah, I think that's what Pilates is. Dude, this is painful. What massage? Roy is saying massage is giving.
Pretty good.
Roy is lying.
Okay, so with fitness and everything, I've played sports all of my life. So I work out probably twice, thrice a week at least. Quite experienced with fitness, but I've never tried Pilates or.
You have your ball next to you.
Oh shit!
Here, here.
Thanks.
Place it between your inner thighs.
Oh shit!
Screwed, bro. Go on.
Okay.
Well, this is giving labor.
Squeeze the ball. All right. Hands by your side. Now you need to focus on finding that stability across both sides of your shoulders, hips. Your spine is in the center. Reach
I'm enjoying this actually.
in.
You'll enjoy it tomorrow. Wait.
Go out. Reach nice and long. Squeeze the ball.
Squeeze the ball.
Squeeze the ball.
Come in.
I forgot about that part.
I think my legs are working the most. Like my thighs are really, really killing me. So yeah, definitely the legs. Oh. Sorry.
Careful. Squeeze the ball gently and come in.
Ouch, ouch. This is. Wait, I have to just
Go out. Yeah, adjust yourself if you need to. Reach out nice and long. Push.
My game plan is to cheat, but nobody's looking. Just skip a few exercises or whatever when nobody's looking.
मस्त प्लान है
Aisha stopped her. She's chilling there.
Okay, go out. Last
Aisha
time.
laughing is not loud. Tavishi ma'am, she's not doing that. She's not doing.
Tavishi ma'am, she's lying.
Tavishi
Come in,
ma'am,
come
she's not
in.
doing.
Take the ball out. Place it on the floor. All right.
Dying, lot of pain, but I think I'll still be able to do it the best. Hopefully.
I think the best would be between Sanya and Royston, actually. I feel like Aisha might be a little all over the place because of her coordination, but I don't know. I hope I'm right. Okay, you can also lift your headrest up now, okay? So this is the headrest.
Oh, nice. I want to lift it up.
Yeah, lift it and then put that little tab in, yeah. It'll give you support on your head and neck. Yeah,
Oh, that's. I thought it would be up here.
Bro, this GoPro's gonna get an upskirt shot of me, bro.
Upskirt.
Seriously.
Tavishi ma'am, do you always do so much BDSM or is it special today? Or do you just like
we do a lot more than what you just did.
She's trying to say I'm not special.
Okay, what we're going to do is bring your legs to tabletop position. So feet off the foot bar.
Ooh.
Okay, press your hands down. Good. And then lift the arms up. Lift your head up. Yes, lift your chest
That's
up.
a curl, baby.
Ab curl.
I'm seeing you
and down.
struggle. Guts.
Ooh.
Bro, I'm in Zen mode.
It's tough. But I'm not gonna do it. Just skip a few exercises or whatever when nobody's looking.
Stay
I'm
here.
holding.
Everyone stay here.
I'm
Good.
holding. Tavishi ma'am, I'm seeing.
I'm seeing
I'm holding the ball
knees
from
forward,
what?
knees forward, knees forward. Higher.
You're literally only curl from your neck, huh, Roy? I can see.
No, bro.
Yeah.
Curl up, come on.
There you curl.
Curl up.
I think Royston is the cheaterest cheater in the world. And he won't admit he has so much ego. He just won't admit that I am better than him. He is struggling. And I'm killing it. I think I'm honestly killing it the first segment. Roy, you're like really bad at this.
Open,
I'm
Roy is
killing it.
cheating and close. When you lift up, you should notice all those wrinkles on you.
Yeah,
I
I'm
feel
noticing. I have lots of wrinkles. I absolutely did very, very well. It did hurt. It did pain. But did you see my posture? Did you see how brilliant I was? Mother choke!
I was correct.
Wait, Tavishima, who did the best? From
Yeah.
three of
Who
us?
did Tavishima? Sarah!
Boy.
You heard that, Royston? Because your curl was such a chutia curl.
Tavishri ma'am is biased. She's supporting Sanya. Sanya thinks she's too good. She's not. I think I was the best. But it was a lot of fun. Look at Asha like straight, bro.
it like this.
Sanya was being annoying, teacher's pet. Roy was making fun of me, but I was doing it the best.
When you come into this position, keep the tension the whole time. Because if you don't keep the tension, you'll lose balance.
I didn't understand anything.
Don't joke, okay? Slowly. Bend your elbows. Bend your elbows like you're holding a tray. And then serve the tray. Arms forward and back.
I've never served anyone before.
If you talk too much, you'll lose balance.
Sorry.
And back.
Bro, I'm just doing this.
No, I'm serving.
We're going to do hug a tree. Open.
Hug a tree or tray?
Tree.
tree.
You're hugging a big tree trunk.
Hug it
Careful. Don't lean forward. Lean back a little bit.
My
And pull.
muscles are popping, guys.
Open.
Hugging tree was chill. I think, yeah, we just had to do that thing. Not too hard. Pretty chill.
Toes forward, heels back. Okay, so slight gap between your toes and the shoulder blocks. Bend your knees, pull the carriage forward, press it back. Good
I call
job.
this the Bad Bunny.
In, out, continue.
Fitness and everything, I've played sports all of my life.
One,
One more.
and relax. Gently place your
Bro,
knees
what are
down.
you doing, bro?
She's doing great. I think I can confidently say that I was somewhat right. I think Sanya was doing pretty well, other than them all being chatterboxes and not focusing, but I guess that's the fun of it. Bend your elbows, chest down. Bend your elbows, bend, and press.
carriage is unstable.
Relax. Come in, take a moment.
Stable or active?
Carefully come in, relax.
Relax.
I don't want to push them too much to I don't want to nitpick on small things. I'm just letting them all kind of flow and enjoy.
This is intermediate, no? This is not like beginner stuff. No?
This is, intermediate. So beginner,
thank
intermediate,
God.
next is advanced, okay?
I'm advanced though.
Sanya is like a wannabe teacher's pet. She's the teacher's favorite also, and that's because this is going on her YouTube channel. That's why. Roy was good, but Roy was making fun of me, so even he sucks.
Bro, I feel like this is targeting exactly the leg shaking nerve in my body.
Out and in, shoulders back. Yeah, push your legs
Wow,
back and
Aisha,
forward.
look at you. I'm very good student. I'm very good student. Aisha, stop spreading rumors. I'm the best student, okay? And also, I am like that. Like, I need to be the best student in the class. I am completely a teacher's pet. I will complain if you do wrong. I will, like, respect my teacher. And I'm very good girl like that.
We're such a chutiya girl.
This is single leg elephant.
No, it's so easy she's doing.
Kind of like your jackrabbit, okay? Coordinate. One knee comes forward, the opposite leg is straight. Out. In. Out.
I was born for this.
In. Okay? Out. Back up. Back up. Don't move your shoulders too much. Shoulders strong and steady. In. Good job. In.
What do you guys think of my performance? Nice? Bad? Okay, so I think I just have to talk to myself and the camera here.
Your feet are going to come onto the headrest. Okay, so you're going to sit with your feet on the headrest. Bent knees. You don't need to do anything with the straps yet. Just peg the straps.
Peg the strap.
But how am I supposed to stay forward?
No, keep the straps down and shift yourself forward. Hands behind your head. Interlace your fingers, okay? Elbows visible from the corners of your eyes. So not too wide, not too narrow. And then the ball is there for light support. Stay light on the ball. Crunch up. It's giving you a little support. Just crunch up and go down.
Okay, this
Okay?
is nice.
Crunch up and down.
That one was a humbler. Okay, I'm not the best anymore. But it was a lot of fun. Sadly, Sanya did really well, so we'll speak softly about that.
When you rotate to
Okay,
your
wait.
right, when you rotate to your right,
I lost. Where? You should have said if you rotate to the right, not when.
okay, 5.
This section was a little intimidating, I won't lie. It was a bit scary. Aisha to sucks only. Aisha's so bad. She's like full Kacha Nimbu vibes. But I couldn't, like, I had to do better than Royston. Aisha, how are you doing it?
I'm not.
She's not.
I've grabbed the rope.
It was fun though. I can't, my legs are hurting. I cheated a lot. But I don't think anybody knows. I think everybody actually knows.
Can you feel abs?
Yeah,
I don't think I can feel that.
I can't feel anything.
Bro,
Okay,
what was that?
honestly,
What was that?
all of this is just a glimpse.
I'm not doing anything.
I think Aisha did the best. Did she? I mean, I just started taking breaks and calling them Aisha Sultan breaks. So, no, she was good. She was good. She did a good job, but at her own pace. So it was fun. But yeah, overall really fun.
Guys, you really don't know what you're in for.
Oh, please, ma'am, don't say all these things.
Why are you so evil, man?
Why is she like this?
Why are you so
She
evil,
came
man?
and she was like
She's
laughing and all.
Mamla, hey, Mamdi.
You're gonna step on the pedal.
Okay.
Okay, stand up.
Oh, this is
What?
hard.
This is not looking good.
And up.
This is really not looking good.
Man,
Okay.
you're very good. Should we leave?
What if Roy hits his
And then we're gonna
head?
do lunges.
Hey, yeah, dude.
We're gonna do lunges.
I can't do normal.
Okay, we're gonna hold.
Tashi ma'am was enjoying a lot. Like, she was getting a little evil towards the end. She was really having a good time torturing us.
10.
We are not good.
We are going to do 10.
Adim, I'm quitting.
Hey, wait,
I quit.
Yeah,
Like
but we're gonna
this?
do both legs. Yeah.
Yeah,
Now
correct.
step your left foot up. Lean forward a bit. Or you do all the same leg.
Everything went perfectly fine. Because honestly, I didn't expect to win. But I did.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
Don't touch the floor, Sanya. Don't touch the floor.
4,
5,
5,
Don't touch the floor. Up.
7,
9,
8,
10.
9.
She was not happy with my results.
I think
Rest.
that was
Done,
insane.
ma'am? We're
I
done?
just didn't realize.
We're done.
Oh, we're done.
We're done.
Nice!
Congrats.
Let's go.
That was great.
Thank you.
Nobody gave me
Too good. You killed it. No
Okay,
chance.
guys, I have a competition for you.
Oh, Blank. What
Okay,
happened?
guys.
We're all
After this, we are all losers. It doesn't matter.
We are all losers.
We
That's
got
true.
this. Okay.
Yes.
Even though this part I'm not good at,
Yeah.
otherwise I have won.
Definitely not.
Let's
Come
go,
back.
let's go.
Huddle again. No matter what happens in this, Sanya's the worst.
It's not that I'm good at things, it's that I just have the biggest ego in the room. I cannot stand losing, and especially not to my friends.
Right foot on the pedal, hold the chair with both your hands. Press the pedal down, left foot comes up. Okay? Make sure your entire foot is on the platform of the chair.
Okay.
Right? Lean forward. First, everyone stand up all the way. Fully. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Aisha, stand up, up, up. This is your starting position.
Okay.
Everyone come halfway down. Okay, I'm going to judge where halfway is. Lower. Aisha, lower. Lower. Yeah, that's it. Royce, lower. That's it. Stay here. Now, bend and press your right leg. Bend your right knee up and press it back. Bend your right knee. Press, not this way.
Chalo.
Right up, down. No hands on the knees. No hands on the knees.
Okay.
No hands on the
Started?
knees. Yeah.
Okay. Two.
One.
Okay, you don't need to count. You just have to stay there for longest.
Why am I getting points, but?
So whoever puts their legs down loses.
Loses. Aisha's out.
I don't mind also.
Sanya, you've not done anything. Huh? She's just holding it. 40 lies, full lies.
So I'm doing 15. Come on, God.
Hey, out, 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 out.
Sanya won! We don't need to do the other leg. We know the real winner here.
Like, okay, what was happening on that bench was just wrong. I don't think human beings are supposed to be treated like that. It was just very upsetting and very, very hurt. I'm still shaking, honestly. I'm getting so emotional. It was really bad. It was not good.
Yeah, in terms of even like each exercise, very easy, just smooth, everything went great. Piece of cake, if I have to say.
Okay, guys, congratulations on surviving this episode with me. Here is yours.
Bro.
Hold it. That's ours.
Oh,
That's
you okay?
ours.
Okay, thanks.
And it's a certificate.
Oh, wow.
You tried.
We did.
We really did, man. We truly did.
It should say you won, Royston.
You lost, Royston.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for coming on the show.
Let's all say it together.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Like, share, comment, surprise. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am, can you tell everyone to like, share, comment?
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
Okay, thank you guys so much. This was amazing. Yeah, I think
It
we
was,
can
it
call
was.
it.
Thank you. So, what am I seeing you next?
Thank you, ma'am.